Hey all, hope you had an awesome holiday and enjoyed the company and food. Today I wanted to show you how to make coasters out of tiles. So these were originally just plaques, tile plaques, and we had put some felt on the bottom of this to just protect the wood tables or whatever you're gonna be putting the plaques on, because they are a little abrasive. They will scratch wood. So we just did that to protect it. You could even put like 4 little dots in each corner too. But anyways, so what you're going to do is print a picture. You can use a variety of different things with it. This was using gift bags. Believe these came from the Dollar Tree. I can't remember. But they're pretty small gift bags, and we just cut out the design, and we used Mod Podge to glue it on, and then we just Mod Podged all of it on top of this. And I believe we used the just the regular Mod Podge. It comes in an orange can, so it's not the matte look or anything like that. And we just sealed it with the Mod Podge and let it dry. And you can't feel, well, you can feel a little bit of a like, I guess a step right here where the bag starts, but other than that, like, you can't peel it off. It's on there really well. I can show you this side here, and I mean, even here, like, it looks like it's coming up a little bit, but it's really not. It's totally sealed in there, and by sealing them, it actually makes it waterproof as well. So yeah, we made 4 coasters with it. Honestly, this project probably cost $8 or so. And then we obviously put little felt squares on the back of all of them. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you. Super easy, super quick, great gift idea. Hope you all have a wonderful day.